is Sheila. Hi, and this is Cheryl, and we're the Brazil twins. And today we're cooking asparagus soup. It's a quick and simple recipe, and now that it's cooling down, it's a great quick recipe for your family, and they will enjoy it. And the kids will love this recipe. Before we changed our eating habits and our lifestyle, I have never eaten asparagus. It's a green vegetable. The kids love it, and you'll love it too. Now you gonna say something about peeing? Oh yeah. Okay, you gonna say something about peeing. So when you eat asparagus, when you go to the bathroom, it's called asparagus pee. So you may smell a funny smell, but it's actually the smell of asparagus. So don't be alarmed, don't get freaked out, don't waste a co-payment. It's just asparagus. It's just asparagus pee. All right, so we're gonna keep going, get going. And one more thing, this recipe here, you can use any vegetable. You can use, I've done it with Brussels sprouts and kale soup, the same recipe. You can use, I did last week with tomatoes. Right, tomato soup. All right, butternut squash, any vegetable you can do it and you will love it. Okay, so I got a glove on because I don't want this oil getting all over my hands. And so I do it the quick way, and I just sprinkle some oil on my asparagus. It's about 2 tablespoons. The asparagus and the garlic roasted in the oven for about 12 minutes. That's all you want to do. You don't want to overcook them. And once they finish, you just put them into the blender. All right, so I think we're done. So this blended about 5 minutes. Look at the steam. And so we typically, you can eat this as a soup, but because I'm vegan, a lot of times I take this for breakfast in the morning, and I just pour it in my coffee cup, and this is my breakfast. You want to pour it? Yep, that's good. Cheers. Yeah, it's good. Very good, very good. This is a must try. Again, we made this with asparagus, but you can use any vegetable. You'll love it. Grab you some oyster crackers on the side and a nice salad. Again, a perfect quick meal. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
And remember to like, share, and comment on our posts.
Don't forget to subscribe.